it right. It is reasonable to plan for school exams in summer if progress on COVID-19 holds. So it would be very logical and acceptable by the government if the school plans the exams only if the school plans for exams when the progress of the COVID-19 slows down a bit or stops. Buoyed by vaccine optimism, educational administrators are working with vigor to end the prolonged disruption to schooling and conduct traditional pen and paper public exams in 2021. So the schools are going to conduct some exams which will be written by pen on paper in the year of 2021. It, it would be reasonable it would be very reasonable for us to think that the COVID-19 pandemic will obviously continue in the year of 2021. But if it slows down a bit, it would be very reasonable for the government and schools to conduct the exams in the year of 2021. And also we may also have some hope because by next year we will have some vaccines also. So if the students take the vaccines, it will be a bit better for them when they are writing the exams. The CBSE, with more than 20,000 schools under its ambit at the secondary level, has had weighed in favor of written mode tests, obviously counting on progress in students registering for its senior school, um, obviously counting on progress in dealing with the pandemic. So this is the same thing again, but here they gave more information. A CBSE with more than so in the secondary level or from the ambit of the classes from 6th class to 10th class. So all these classes in India almost have about 20,000 schools, CBSE, and most of the schools have most of the school most of these schools have opted for traditional exams. I mean pen and paper exams. As a system with 1.2 million students registering for its senior school certificate senior school certificate examination and covering schools for expatriates as well, the board is a bellwether for academic schedules. So the board is the bellwether, means the board is the thing which determines the fate of the students. So there are about 1.2 million students who are willing to write the secondary CBSE exams. Quite fortuitously, it was able to wrap up its 2020 examination schedule that began in the mid-February without getting derailed by the national lockdown in March. So fortunately, most of the schools have completed their examinations, which have started in the mid-February, and before even the pandemic started in March. Most of the schools have completed their examination schedule. State boards, however, are yet to make up their minds on a schedule for annual examinations and the academic session for next year. Badly affected Maharashtra and Gujarat are thinking of postponing the final examinations. But as I said, most of the schools completed their examinations by the month of March when the pandemic started. But there are some other states in which the schools did so. For example, the states of Maharashtra and Gujarat. They have delayed a bit, and now they are trying to conduct exams in this year soon. And 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 uh, and apart from the CBS syllabus, the state syllabus, the states the state education is a bit problem because the state examinations have of this year have not been completed yet. Reflecting the overall concern on lost academic activities, the Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations has appealed to states to allow its schools to open classes 10 and 12 in a limited way early in January. So the Council for Education Ministry, it has agreed with the schools to open the schools in early 2021 only for 10th and 12th classes. These dilemmas these dilemmas reflect those who felt across the globe on arriving at a safe compromise on schooling. So all these problems are for the ones who wanted to be safe with schooling, obviously, and all of us want to be safe while schooling. In addition, there is also the likely conflict between summer elections in large states such as Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and Kerala, and the examination schedule for 2021. In addition, there is also the likely conflict between summer elections. And there is one more big problem. If we try to conduct the examinations in the next year, which we may, we will face some serious problems with social distancing while students are traveling from their homes to their schools, because that time is the time of summer elections. So it will be obviously a problem for the students. The strongest argument in favor of a written board examination is that it eliminates asymmetrical access, including technology deficits, and gives all pupils an equal opportunity to score. So, so this has one. So the one of the most strongest advantages of the traditional pen and paper examination is that, um, as we all know, in this situation pandemic, some schools conduct their examinations online, and during that period some of the students have not may not have the proper gadgets or technology to communicate to their teachers properly. So because of that there may be some problems for them during the online examinations. But in the case of the traditional pen and paper examinations, they won't be having any such problems, because the teacher will be right in, because the teacher will be right there to clarify any doubts in the examinations. Students are relieved that, in line with experience in countries such as the UK, the syllabus has been significantly pared down and examination schedules may be put off by a few months beyond March. So, in some of the countries like UK, they have reduced the syllabus to to make some stress relief to make some stress relief on the students. The availability of a good vaccine that will also cover teachers and students through a staggered program is arguably key to determining the coming year's academic timetable. And yes, obviously, if more vaccines come for the students and for the teachers, then the percentage of then the possibility of conducting the exams next year will obviously be very high. Education Minister Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal's move to hear public concerns on such issues through an online consultation is a positive step to build a consensus. So the Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal, he has taken a step to listen all the problems of the people who have been writing examinations through an online meeting, and that's a good step towards and that's a good step towards towards conducting the traditional pen and paper exams. The international view, summarized by the US infectious diseases expert Dr. Anthony Fauci, is that given a choice between bars and schools, it is later that should be kept open, posing a lower risk of large-scale infections. And a US infectious diseases expert Dr. Anthony Fauci says that it is better to conduct the traditional pen and paper examinations a bit later, because it will reduce the risk of the virus contracting to every person or every student and increasing mortality. India is better placed than America or Europe to provide ventilated classrooms, an important factor in controlling viral spread because of the climate. And the one advantage that India has over most of the countries like US or Europe, where all the countries are usually air conditioned, but in India most of the schools are ventilated. So which means that air could come into the class and go out of the class through windows. So because of that, there is a less chance that the students get so there is a less chance that the students get affected by the virus. Yet yet a definitive view on the school schedule for 2021 is not possible until the course of the pandemic over the next few months becomes clear. Um, And yes, if we really want to conduct the examinations in the year of 2021, we first need to we first need to think about it. We first need to think about it. We have to predict how the COVID-19 pandemic could be going on in the year of 2021. So we should first analyze the course of the pandemic until now to the next year. So if it seems a bit slow and good to and favorable to conduct the exams, then we will conduct the exams in the year of 2021. Poor adherence to safety norms by the average citizen can only jeopardize the reopening of schools further, even with a vaccine available. So, poor adherence or poor way of following rules or bad way of following rules will only delay the conduction of examinations in the year of 2021, which will give a high risk to the students. Thank you.